I am not going to waste your time. I will show you how you can use Canva Pro for free legally. Follow the steps mentioned in this video and don't forget to subscribe. You have to watch the video very carefully because I am going to explain in a very fast way. To use the premium features of Canva Pro genuinely for free, click on the link given in the description below. You can join this premium group absolutely free for now. You have to click on the profile icon of the group and go to the about area. There you will find a link to Canva Pro. If you are facing any problem, then you can contact me here. A page like this will appear in front of you. It is possible that a non-skippable video may appear. Then you have to wait for some time. The option to continue will appear. Then you will see a screen like this. Now you have to find the timer. As soon as the timer reaches 0, the option for the next article will appear. Click on it. Screen like this. Now you have to find the timer. As soon as all 3 of your tasks are completed, in the last you will get the option to right click on an ad. You have to come back by clicking on any one ad. Then you will get the option to get the final link. But before proceeding, know something very important. Otherwise your token link will not work. Please try to understand that if you do not comment, you will automatically logged out in a short while because we verify your comment and provide you access. So do comment and then click on the get link. But if you are facing any problem, you can watch this video for more